Your Apple Pencil needs extra care. Hi everyone, this is Mahin and I'm using second generation Apple Pencil from the very first day with my iPad Pro, and I'm very much confused about its durability. I write a lot and there is always a chance for this pencil to get drop off from my table, which is about 3 to 4 feet higher, so it's quite risky. So I have ordered a case for my Apple Pencil from the Aliexpress, which is quite cheap, about $1, and price-worthy. You can get a variety of pencil cases and skins from Aliexpress. I'll put the links for best options in the description box below. So don't forget to check those after the end of this video. It comes in this small pack. The package contains a body protection cover and 2 types of nib protectors. When I tried to insert the cover, it felt so difficult. I even thought the pencil will get broken. My palm got red and I was getting annoyed. At last, after World War III, I was able to finish the task. The first tip protector is soft and I commonly use that. Second one is little harder. It will give some extra protection if you put it in your bag. With this case, there is no issue with charging. It gets attached strongly, but the magnet feels not as strong as without case. However, the pencil won't get detached easily. So don't worry about that. On the flat surface, you won't be able to throw it to get attached to the magnet. Sometimes it doesn't feel comfortable. But hey, you have to sacrifice those for the protection. Writing with this cover feels much comfortable and like a real pen with a good grip. Now, one point I should mention here. If your iPad case has a slot for pen, this pen case won't be able to fit there. You may force what you shouldn't, but ultimately it will create useless situation. So keep this point in your mind. Again, double tap features become inaccurate sometimes because of the shock absorbing thick rubber material. This might be annoying as nobody wants to use his second hand to tap the pencil. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Your supports are highly appreciated, and see you on my next video.